Everybody's mic and video should be all on all the time.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Noah, tell me.
So division means um, repeated subtraction.
कौन
Of the
बोल रहा है?
same number.
Of the
Yeah, of
same
the same
number.
same
Of
number.
the same number is important, right? It is
Yeah.
repeated subtraction of the same number. Correct?
Yep.
So it
Yep.
is exactly. Suppose if I say 45 divided by. Okay.
सर मैं शिफ्ट हो रहा हूँ रूम का.
Okay, ठीक है. 24 divided by 6 क्या होता है?
4.
कैसे किया?
Multiplication.
डिवीजन करने के तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन कहाँ कर रही है? हाँ?
सर डिवीजन में भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है.
Correct. So what you do
वो
is,
तो मैं भूल गई.
what you need to do is 24 divided by 6. So what you do, you have to check in 6 table where the 24 comes. Correct?
Yes.
अनाया clear है?
Yes sir.
Okay, ठीक है. चलो, I am going to open and we'll see के what exactly what all thing we have done, right? And what all things are pending. चलो. Can you see my screen? Just confirm.
Double click to enter. Yes, I can see.
Confirm. See, we have done this property and everything, right? I given you this assignment to do it, right? Okay, some of this we already done here, right? And I told you to solve this in a notebook with a proper working. This 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all this I want a proper working. I told you how to do it, right? You
Yes,
have to
sir.
do this 107, 109 multiplied by 7. You have to show me this. This you can do. Okay. This I told you how to do it, doubling and halving, right? Correct? So here
Yes,
also I have to show 77 multiplied by 2. I want to see the working actually. Clear? So all
Yes,
this
sir.
working when we are doing, you send me this along with this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now this is done. This is also done. This is also done. Right. This also we have done in the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Now there is a missing number, right?
Yeah.
Now missing
Yes.
number. Okay. Now here there are 3 answers you are getting, right? Here you get 3 answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very good.
So I will just show you. I told you to send everybody solve this question or no? Last time I gave you to solve this question at homework, right? Who has
सर
solved
नहीं
this?
कर पाया.
हाँ?
नहीं कर पाया.
कौन नहीं कर पाया?
क्रियांश.
क्यों नहीं कर पाया? क्या
सर
प्रॉब्लम है? क्या
अरे
ट्राई?
सॉफ्ट कॉपी है ना मेरी.
अच्छा मैंने फोटो भेजा था बेटा, तो नोटबुक में कॉपी करके कर सकता है. यू कैन कॉपी इन द नोटबुक एंड डू इट, राइट? इसके लिए सॉफ्ट कॉपी, इसका क्या जरूरत है? गॉट दिस और नो?
यस.
तो फिर
Yes.
इसके लिए क्या जरूरत है ये करने के लिए? ठीक है, यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉपी इन द नोटबुक, राइट? दिस इज छोटा तो नंबर लिखना है, राइट? यू कैन कीप अ ब्लैंक कॉपी एंड डू इट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो कॉपी करो. चलो कॉपी करो एवरीबॉडी, कॉपी इन द नोटबुक.
सर दिस क्वेश्चन 22.
यस, 22 A and B. I want you to try and whatever try, whether अच्छा बुरा कुछ भी है, I want you to send this. Whether you are getting it or you are not getting it, I'm okay with it. But I want everybody's try to send it on the photo on the group. Right? If they get it, it is okay. If you don't get it, it's still okay. Copied? Done?
नहीं.
जल्दी करो बेटा. कॉपी करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? And I want you to solve this.
कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
नहीं चलेगा, तुम कॉपी कर लो खाली बेटा, समझ में आने के बाद में करो, राइट?
हाँ
लेटर ऑन। अभी चिंता मत करो, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या आ रहा है, राइट? फर्स्ट कॉपी कर लो क्वेश्चन, जो तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं ना, सर मेरे पास बुक नहीं है, वो सब नाटक बंद हो जाएगा, राइट? ठीक है बच्चा?
हाँ
Yes,
वेरी
sir.
गुड, चलो डन।
सर नहीं हुआ।
Yes,
अरे
sir.
जल्दी करो
Abhi
यार,
maine
तीन
copied
चार लाइन लिखने में कितना
one
टाइम
of the
जाता है?
questions. For the second
वन
question.
स्क्वायर, टू स्क्वायर, थ्री स्क्वायर, फोर स्क्वायर, जीरो, थ्री स्क्वायर,
अरे स्क्वायर क्या लिख रहा है, कहाँ स्क्वायर कर रहा है? स्क्वायर मतलब
स्क्वायर।
अरे लाइन छोड़ दो वहां पे, लीव सम स्पेस देयर, डैश करके।
सर पहले भी बोल देते हैं ना।
हाँ तो जल्दी करो करो करो,
डैश
उसमें
डैश
लॉजिक है,
डैश
कॉमन सेंस
डैश,
लगाने का बेटा इसमें। पहले क्या बोलने का है?
डैश 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 डैश, जीरो प्लस थ्री डैश 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 सिक्स। हाँ
डन,
हाँ।
चलो ठीक
मैं
है।
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया।
नाउ दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, ओके। नाउ आई जस्ट वांट वन बाय वन, every alternate sum will do it, okay? चलो फर्स्ट अद्वैत,
Yes, sir.
टेल मी, फर्स्ट रीड द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम।
In an orchard, there are 98 rows of mango trees. How many trees are there in the orchard if each row has 87 trees?
Orchid, it is called orchid, not orchard, okay? So what do you do?
Multiplication.
Correct. So basically in an orchid, that is a garden, you have 80, 98 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, like you have 98 rows. And in each row, you have 87
87
trees,
trees.
right? 87 trees. So it is 87 multiplied by 98, you get the total number of trees, correct?
Yes.
And this you have to solve it in a book. I am writing again. I want you to solve it in a book. Solve in the notebook with proper working, right? And statement. You know how to write statement, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So just write. So I'm just writing here. It is 98. 98 multiplied by 7.
सर मम्मा ने निकाल दिया
क्या निकाल दिया बेटा?
हार्ड कॉपी।
वेरी गुड, ठीक है चलो।
आई थिंक सो।
ओके, अ बॉक्स कंटेन्स, चलो नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर 2. हु इज रोल नंबर 2? हु इज रोल नंबर 2? अनाया, अनाया,
Yes, sir.
चल कमान।
A box contains 124 oranges. How many oranges are there in 139 such boxes?
One box contains
124.
124
Okay.
oranges.
So,
And likewise, you
sir,
have one.
113, if you will do multiplication here, and it will be 139 into 120.
Correct. So how do you write in statement? How do you write? There are 120 mangoes or 120 oranges in one box.
124
And there are
oranges.
139 boxes. So 124 multiplied by 139, right? And you show with the working. Clear? I'm just writing is equal to. So I'll write later on. Okay, chalo, roll number 3. Who is roll number 3? Ivana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Chalo, tell me. You are roll number 3, right?
Yes.
Chalo, tell me.
Which one? Question number 2. Right?
3. 2 is already done. Where is your attention? Question number 2 is already done.
A basket contains 187 mangoes. How many mangoes there will be in 207 such baskets? 187 times 207 is
Correct. Okay. So Priyansh, next.
There are 576 buttons in a packet. Find the number of buttons in 249 such packets.
Okay. So what do you do?
Multiply, sir.
Correct. Because there are 576 buttons in one box. And there are certain 249 boxes like this, right? So this is all boxes you have to multiply, right? You have to do
सर
multiplication.
मैं मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको अभी बताऊं?
नहीं बेटा, ये नहीं करना है। वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन आता ना तुमको?
हाँ.
ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट. स्प्रूहा,
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट.
One ream of paper contains 840 sheets. How many sheets of paper are there in 335 reams? 480 multiplied by 335.
But you have to write the statement also. I hope you know how to write the statements, right?
Yes, sir.
I am going to check this next class, right? Next class, everybody has to upload this, right? I've already given this assignment to you. Let me
So
see.
what if we have a hard copy?
इस चीज पे काम कर रहे हैं आपके ब्लड फ्लो पे.
Wait a minute, I'll just show you here. Multiplication, edit. Let me show. Okay. 14, 15, only odd question to be solved, right? I gave you only odd question. 14, 15, only odd question to be done, right?
Yes, sir.
So I gave you very limited one, 14 and 15, right? This 14, we have done few of them, and you have to do only odd questions. So I gave you very limited working to be done. Correct? And 22, everybody has to do. Then here
Sir,
also
क्या?
only odd question, right?
सर क्या बोले आप?
Only odd question to be done, beta.
मतलब 1, 3.
Yes,
Five.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like this. You know odd number, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ठीक है. Odd number and
Sir,
even number
मैंने
I've
even
taken in
कर
first
दिया.
class, right? Odd number and even number I've taken in very first class, right?
Very first class.
Chalo. So this is clear. Now division. We have already learned that division is the inverse process of multiplication. That is what I told you, right? Repeated subtraction of the same number. Every multiplication fact gives the rise to two division facts, right? Now, what it says, 5, 6, basically it's a 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. So it is 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6 and 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5, correct? So 30 can be divided by 6 also and 30 can be divided by 5 also. When we do the factor and multiple in next month, I'll tell you what does the multiple and factors means, right?
Yes, sir.
Also, we have carried out division by repeated subtraction and solve the problem equal sharing of the distribution using the concept of division, correct? I told you where pizza, right? If I want to divide the pizza has 8 pieces and I want to divide into 2 people. So how much pizza everybody? How many pieces it will give? I have 8 pieces. Where is the noise coming from? Hello? Where is the noise coming from? Hello?
Priyansh side.
बेटा आवाज मत कराओ, मम्मी को बोलो आवाज नहीं करने का, ठीक है? In class 3 we learned that how to divide. Okay, we have done 3 or less 1 digit number. In this chapter we'll sell 4 digit or a larger by 2 digit number. Now this is very difficult. Now, I hope everybody knows what to divide, right? How to divide. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Nice. You can divide any number by any number. Now when I say it is divisible, what does the divisible means? When I say divisible, what
Sir,
does
Advait knows.
हाँ बोल बेटा.
Divisible means that you can split it in half without
Half.
using a decimal.
How? Half.
Sir, can Ivana see?
One. Let him finish. Half. हाँ?
No.
हाफ हो जाएगा डायरेक्ट डिवाइड करने का मतलब.
No, dividing equally without using decimals.
डेसिमल कहाँ आता है? डेसिमल तो यूज ही
Sir,
नहीं
can
करते.
Spruha say?
वेट
Sir,
बेटा
can you
डार्लिंग रुको यार. रुको. Let him finish. Let understand what he is saying wrong. Right? Then you can clarity. Yeah, tell me. डिवाइड बाय हाफ, डेसिमल, डेसिमल कहाँ से आ गया? डेसिमल तो मैंने बोला भी नहीं है, राइट? डेसिमल तो मैंने सिखाया भी नहीं है अभी तक।
सर सुधा बोल सकती है।
अद्वैत, करेक्ट इट।
सर
इवाना, सॉरी, अनया, कीप द माइक ऑन।
सर अरे सर
हाँ, या अद्वैत नहीं बोल रहा है?
सर
चलो,
क्वेश्चन क्या था मैं भूल गई।
what when I say number is divisible, what does divisible mean?
डिविजिबल मतलब if you say 10 so 5 to the 10
No,
we
no,
don't
no,
need
no.
to
Example
one
लिखिए,
less.
word. I don't want
Okay,
example.
10 by, for example,
अरे, hello.
Hi.
अनया, keep the mic on. हाथ ऊपर कर, हाथ ऊपर कर, बस अभी ऐसे ले क्लास। This is third time I'm telling you to keep the mic on. Yes. I don't want any example. Without example, you should be able to tell me. No example.
That means like we don't want anything less. We want the exact number.
What lesson करेंगे? ऐसा कैसे? What lesson? What more?
Sir, can you mama say?
Kriyansh, बोल. Ivana, you want to tell?
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
So numbers which are directly written are called
Direct,
divisible.
indirect क्या होता है? What is direct, indirect? What do you direct? Okay, I put the arrow or gun. Huh? Direct. What direct?
Means like really easily.
Easily.
Works
What
with
difficult? Hey, what? Use a simple word. Very
Easy.
simple.
Even
It is
numbers.
just one statement. That's it.
Even numbers?
No, how even number? Acha, odd number cannot be divided perfectly. Who told you this? 15 can be divided by 3?
No.
Yes.
Huh? No.
Yes.
Yes, I said yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Someone said no.
They know their
Someone.
friend
That is
names
okay.
Suha.
Kriyansh, tell me.
Yes, sir. क्या?
क्या? सो रहा है क्या? हैं? What is, when I say divisible means what? When I say a number is divisible by another number, what does it mean?
The number can be divided by the other number.
अच्छा, very good. 14 divided by 5.
नहीं.
मैं करके दिखाता हूँ तेरे को, उसमें क्या है? 14 divided by 5 होता है?
रिमाइंडर आएगा.
हाँ, रिमाइंडर तो उस सब में आएगा.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Yes, Anaya, tell me.
Sir, divisible means we can divide it, sir.
Huh?
Just like for example, for 10, for 10 you will take
No,
5.
example लीजिए. I don't know an example. Without example, you should be able to tell me.
5 by the 20.
अच्छा, I can divide 14 by 5 all now. I can divide, right?
Yes.
I don't know.
उससे क्रियांश ने बोला रिमाइंडर आएगा, रिमाइंडर सब में आएगा. रिमाइंडर will be there in everyone.
No.
Even
What?
Everybody knows, but you can't frame the sentence, right? Everybody knows.
Yes.
even number.
Not even number. Who told you even number? Ivana.
Even number
Sir,
can be divided.
sir, मैं बताऊं?
हाँ,
Wait,
बोल.
sir, can I say?
एक-
I realize.
एक मिनट.
Sir,
क्रियांश बोल.
repeated subtraction
अरे,
of
वो
the
तो बोल
same
दिया.
number.
वो तो बोल दिया.
So,
When I say
I
when it is
realize.
divisible, what does it mean? See, 14 also I can
Sir.
subtract, right? 5 repeatedly. Yes, Ivana.
Sir, actually, like even numbers are divisible.
अरे इवन ऑड का कोई मतलब नहीं है इसमें. कहाँ इवन नंबर के पीछे जा रही है बेटा?
Even numbers are
अरे,
divisible by even numbers.
I can't form the
And odd
sentence.
numbers.
Ivana, wait. There is nothing related to even and odd.
What? But in our
Division, I'm asking you, when you say perfect, even number is also divisible, odd number is also divisible, right?
Sir, I know, but I can't frame the sentence.
Very good.
in our school is said
Kriyansh already
No,
given some
Ivana,
hint.
school
Kriyansh has already given one
like
hint.
this.
Yes, Advait bol.
Divisible means when a number can be divided without leaving any remainder.
Remainder तो आता है, सब में आता है.
then it
Then
without
the
it,
remainder
then how
will
is it
be
division?
0.
Correct. Remainder is 0. Correct. Remainder तो आता है ना?
हाँ, sir.
Blank थोड़ी आता है. So
Sir.
when a number is divisible, now you understand one thing. Whenever I say number is
That's
divisible,
Spruha said.
what do you need to say? The number is called as perfectly divisible by, either it is called divisible or it is called as perfectly divisible by another number.
Purple.
When after division, the remainder comes as 0. Correct? So you cannot carry out the further division, right?
Yes.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
And
I forgot.
okay, ठीक है. And चलो, I'll give you here one number. Okay. One more thing I'll tell you. Every time, every step when you do a division, okay, I'll ask you something. You tell me what exactly it is. Right? Suppose you say,
क्या?
रुक जा, शांति रख मेरी जान, रुक जाओ. 50, नहीं, 95, 953 divided by 3. Okay. So I do 3 ones are 3. 6. Again 3 ones are 3. 3.
Sir, 3 3 तो 9 होता है.
तो ये करता हूँ गलत है. This is wrong.
No.
It is right what I am doing.
कर सकते हैं ऐसा? सर रॉन्ग है.
क्यों wrong है?
सर क्योंकि तो 3 आएगा क्योंकि आप रिपीट. अरे पर अगर नंबर लेस है तो चलता है, अगर नंबर ज्यादा है तो नहीं चलता.
कौन बोल रहा है बेटा ये?
स्पृहा.
वेरी गुड. नहीं चलता डार्लिंग.
Sir, question.
नहीं चलता है. Now I'll tell you what.
Sir, may I go to
Here,
washroom?
wait. When I subtract this number here, right? What this is called as?
Coffee
Remainder, right?
Coffee division.
Remainder has to be always less than the divisor. You know what is this called as?
Divisor.
Divisor. This is called as dividend. This is called as quotient and this is called as remainder, right?
Remainder.
So when you do a division, the subtraction has to be, the remainder has to be always less than the divisor. Then it is a perfect division. Clear? Chalo, I'll give you here 8, 48 and 32. Chalo, who is going to divide this for me?
Sir, Spruha.
अरे रुक जाओ डार्लिंग. सबको नंबर आएगा.
Sir, Spruha को दो.
Ivana. बोलो. Spruha, tell me.
ये what's up?
Yeah. Tell me.
Oh, that one.
क्या हो गया? कितना
Zero.
टेस्ट हुआ?
0.
हैं?
0.
0? क्यों 0?
क्योंकि ऐसे हो सकता.
Stop. No. Spruha is telling nobody will interrupt. Yes, Spruha.
क्योंकि 8 ज्यादा है 4 से.
Correct. Okay, चलो. 0.
8 was 8.
Then
तो
what?
8 नीचे जाएगा.
हाँ?
फिर 8 नीचे जाएगा.
ठीक है, आगे बोल.
8 was 8.
8 ones are 8.
हाँ सर.
ऐसा?
हाँ.
अच्छा. तो ये 4
अरे
का
पर
क्या
8 भी तो आएगा.
श्योर. 1 मिनट. कोई बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. ये 4 का क्या करूं?
अरे हाँ. 0.
0 लिखो इधर.
हाँ.
हैं?
हाँ सर. और फिर 0 0 और फिर 3
वेरी
नीचे
वेरी
जाएगा.
बैड. वेट. चलो, अद्वैत बोल.
क्या?
Sir, since the first number is smaller than the number that is dividing it, we take two numbers.
Very
48.
Correct. So when the number is smaller, we take 2 numbers. This is only for the starting value, right? Not for f.
But sir, as
अरे
school
wait.
teachers.
Wait, बेटा. Wait. Who is telling? जिसका डाउट है hand raise करो. After Advait finish, they will get a chance.
सर
Yeah.
को हमारे स्कूल में ऐसा नहीं सिखाया.
Spruha, listen
So
very
it is
carefully
like
how you are
6
doing.
above.
Spruha,
हाँ.
just check how Advait is doing. Yeah, Advait, tell me.
You have to write 6 above.
Yeah. It is 6 in the quotient. 8 6 are 48.
48.
Right? You put 0. Then
Carry over 3 and 2.
Very good. So then, what
Eight
is it?
fours are 32. So write there 4 and below this 0, 3 you have to write 32.
Very good. Correct है?
Yes.
sir.
Very
I have
good.
also
सर रमेश
Sir, wrong है.
एक मिनट हाथ ऊपर करो.
correct है.
एक मिनट हाथ ऊपर करो. Those who are think it is wrong and thumbs up करो. Those who think it is right. Spruha, do you think it is wrong?
No, I'm neutral because our school said that we can't take two numbers at a time.
Sorry?
Our school said that we can't take two numbers at a time.
Correct. So it is not neutral. It is wrong. Correct? Yes, Anaya?
Sir, I think it is wrong.
Wrong. Chalo. Why but?
Because sir, we cannot take
We
Like
cannot
what?
take?
two
सर
numbers.
क्रियांश बता सकते हैं?
हाँ बता बेटा क्रियांश.
Sir, I think it is wrong because it is. एक second, हाँ sir.
Hmm.
Because it first digit.
First digit.
मतलब first number to divide.
हाँ तो क्या करूं?
है.
तो क्या करूं?
तो मतलब 0 डालो.
कहाँ जीरो डालूं?
हो रहेगा.
हाँ कहाँ जीरो कहाँ डालूं?
First digit पर.
अरे एक मिनट. Let क्रियांश speak. Nobody will speak in between. No cross talks. Just listen. Don't you think I don't know how to do it? Only one person will speak. Yeah, क्रियांश.
सर 6 और 4 के बीच में 0 डालना है
क्यों?
क्योंकि हम दूसरा नंबर ले रहे हैं ना उसके साथ में.
कहाँ दूसरा नंबर ले रहे हैं?
3 था हमारे पास तो उसके
हाँ,
साथ
correct.
एक 2 ले रहे हैं ना.
Right. अभी देखो, when you have this, when I told you, when you have something, okay, you take. Advait told me, right? Okay, first number 4 small है इसके लिए. I told you it is at the first place. Spru also showed the same thing, right? You just put 0
Yes, sir.
here, but because it is starting 0, it does not have any relevance, right? So you put 6, 48. Then you have to take only 3 down, right? Because 3 is smaller than 8, you have to put the 0. Correct? Because 8 ones are 8, 8 zeros are 0. And then you take the second one down, right? Or if you want to do this, you can do this also. But it is not required. It is not needed. But I'll tell you how you can do this. Right? If you want to show this, right? You can show this as, this is 0. You got 3 here. When 0, 8s are 0. You put again 3. And again you put down this 32. Right? Because this 0, you have to put this 0 here. And this is 32. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
I purposely gave you the number which are both divisible by 8. है ना? तो तुम्हारा दिमाग हो जाएगा क्लियर कि अच्छा 48 and 32 वेरी गुड. आई एम वेरी गुड मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ना अद्वैत?
हाँ.
समझ में आया?
Yes.
May I go
Very
to
good.
washroom?
Clear? Understood everyone?
Sir, I don't
Chalo.
understand why do we
So
have to
why?
put
हाँ?
Sir, I don't understand why do we have to put a 0 in between 6 and 4?
Very good. चलो. Very good.
Sir, may I go to washroom?
वो बेटा.
Anaya, sir.
हाँ, okay, go. चलो. Ivana, who's Ivana is a doubt, right?
Why do we
Very
have
good. Chalo, I am solving one by one, right? Chalo, I am removing all this. Now, 8 6 are 48 you did, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. That is correct. That much you understood?
Sir, can Advait go and grab a snack?
Yeah, beta. Okay. 8 6 are 48, right? That much you understood?
Yes.
So 48 minus 48, you get a 0.
Plus 0, 0, it will become.
Huh, correct. Whether you put 1 0 10 0, how does it matter, beta? It is 0 only, right?
तो
Correct.
क्या प्रियांश को
Then-
a snack?
या अरे जाओ यार खाना पहले लेके बैठो ना यार क्लास में. You know it is a class is going to be 1.5 hours, right? So sit with a snack or eat before the class. Then you take round 3 here, right? Clear? Ivana,
Yes.
now you put the 3. Can you divide 3 by 8?
No. So
Because 3 is a smaller number, right?
So we put 2 down.
No, you don't have to. You can't put the 2 down. You have to put the 0 here, right? Because 8 0, you have to divide, right? 8 zeros are, because 8 ones are 8 is bigger than this, right? So what is the previous number? 8 0, right? So you put a 0 here, right? And that is why you have to put the 0 there. You cannot put 2 figure down at the same time, right? You cannot put down 2. You understood why you put the 0?
Oh, got it.
Now you got it.
2 numbers at the same time.
Yes, you cannot take down the same number, say 2 at the same time. Now, suppose same thing, if I want to tell you from the first, right? Suppose you say 8, 4, 8, 3, 2. I'll take one number at a time, right? It is 8, then 0 here, again 4. Then I take down 8, 6, 48, then 0, then take down 3, then again not divisible, 0, then put 0, 3 here, take down 2, 4 32, 0. Correct? Now this 0 has no relevance because it is starting 0. Does not matter, right? So starting you can take 2 numbers, 3 numbers, whatever you want, right? If it is till the time it is bigger number in the dividend, you have to take number, because then otherwise it will keep on 0, 0, 0, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in the division, okay, the main thing is, suppose you have very big division, 2-digit number, right? So you don't know the 2-digit table, right? I am going to tell you how you can use it, right? Otherwise, you know, single-digit table, division of single-digit table is very easy, right? Everybody knows it, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, property of division. Now, this is a very important formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Yes. So, when I have something, suppose if I say 30 divided by 5, you know it is divisible. Yes, you got a 6, right? So, what is got a dividend is 30 is equal to 5 into 6 plus remainder is 0, right? This is very important. If remainder is 0, it is a perfectly divisible number. Clear? Now on dividing non-zero number by 1, the quotient is always number itself, right? When you multiply or divide by 1, number remains the same. You remember this, right? On
Yes,
dividing
sir.
the
Yes,
non-zero
sir.
number by itself, you always get a 1, right? 48 divided by 48 is 1. 36 divided by 36 is 1. 23 divided by 23 is 1. 125 divided by 125 is 1. Correct? Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
when you divide n number by 1, it is always the number itself. And number divided by itself, you will always get a 1. Clear?
But it is like properties of multiplication only. Sir.
Yes, but properties multiplication is different and this is different, because in
Yes.
property you have grouping and rearranging. Here it is not possible, right?
Yes.
In the multiplication you can rearrange it also, right? Dividing by 0 has no meaning. Have you tried this? This is very important property. Have you tried this?
Yes, sir.
Anything, suppose you say, okay, I'm just telling you, 0, 0 divided by 14. 14, acha, I'll just write, okay. I'll just write 14 divided by 14, right? 14 divided by 0 and 0 divided by 0. Can you tell me what is the answer for this? This is very important. Write down in your book. What is the 0 divided by 14 is what?
No, sir.
40?
0 divided by 14.
0.
0?
Very good. Okay.
Huh.
14 divided by 14.
1.
1?
Very good. 14 divided by 0.
0.
14?
14. Somebody says 0, right? 0 divided by 0.
0.
0.
0. 14 divided by 14 is what?
1.
25 divided by 25 is what?
1.
0 divided by 0 is?
1.
Right? 1 or 0, right?
Never do 1.
Correct? We'll see this.
That's confusing.
Very nice. That is why I'm teaching you this, right? and this is very important because many of the higher grade students don't know this, right?
It's
So I'm
students.
okay. I'll open the calculator here now. Do you know what is calculator?
Of
It's
course.
an application.
Yes, chalo. I'm going to open the calculator here on the laptop, so at least you will be able to see this, right?
So
Let's see.
can I play with? Can I do like the color me last time at the night?
Can you see this? Okay, I'm writing 14, easy one first, right? 14 divided by 14, right? Clear? Can you see in my screen? Everybody able to see my screen or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the calculator? 14
Yes.
divided by 14. What is the answer?
14.
1.
1. Correct?
Yes.
So this is correct. We have done this, right? This is correct, right? Very good. Chalo, next. 0 divided by 14.
0.
Sabas. Very good. So this is also correct. Okay. Now, what is this? 14 divided by 0 will be what?
0.
Wait. 14.
0 or 14?
0.
14.
Pakka?
Yes, sir. 40.
No, sir,
0.
I believe 14. I
Oh,
would
Yours.
0.
Final answer. Who wants to give?
0.
14.
Very good. चलो.
Wow, it's 0.
अरे रुको मेरी जान कैलकुलेटर बताएगा ना आपने को क्या आ गया You cannot divide any number by 0, either positive or negative or decimal or anything, right? You cannot divide anything by 0. It's a math error, right? Correct. It is not a number or cannot divide, right?
Damn.
Now here 0 divided by 0 will be what?
Nothing.
No, what nothing? Nothing. You'll write nothing.
0. 0.
0 divided by 0 is what?
1.
0.
0.
0 or 1?
0.
Hey.
Undefined. That is
It is
nothing.
again, hello, listen, common sense. It is divided by 0, right? Denominator cannot have a 0. Divisor cannot be 0. So you will get a result undefined, you will get infinite, you get a cannot divide by 0, not a number, infinite, infinity. Okay, math error. You different calculator will give different result, right? Understood? समझ में आया? क्या हो गया? Why are you laughing?
I heard something funny.
Okay, chalo. There is nothing funny. This is very important concept I'm teaching you, right? I want a seriousness when I'm teaching you something important. Division by 0 is no meaning. So it is, you cannot divide by 0. It's a math error, right? Anything number, any number, either 0 or any non-zero number cannot be divided by 0. Correct? So this is not. On dividing by 0, not a 0 number, quotient will remain as 0, right? 0 divided by any number, which is non-zero number, right? Non-zero number, answer will be always 0, right? Like 0 multiplied by any number, whether 0, non-zero, it will give you 0, right? But division mein, you cannot have a denominator as 0. Clear hai? Everybody clear?
Yes,
I'll ask again the things. Huh? So remember this. Number cannot be divided by 0, right? 0 divided by 89 will give you 0. 0 divided by 7. Any number, decimal, fraction, whole number, anything. Let us recall the method of division taking the example 4-digit number by 1-digit number, right? So it is given this number. Now since you are giving the tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, this something. So you get 24, 21 is division 3. This number, whenever you are subtracting, please understand. when you do a division with a bigger number, you will find this problem, right? And I'm going to give you this division, and next class I'm going to check this multiplication, division, everything, right? So by next class you should be able to finish this multiplication, division, because I've given you only 2 exercises. One I gave you last week, one I'm giving today. And this I want up with the proper working. I don't want an excuse, sir, मेरा laptop नहीं चल रहा है, मेरा ये नहीं चल रहा है, and everybody anyway you have to do it in a notebook, right? So here you got 3 here, right? This number has to be less than this number, where each step of division, whenever you divide this number has to be smaller. Now this is 36. Now you got 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. There are 5 numbers which you can come in 7's table, which can be subtracted here. But you have to take the nearest number of the 36 so that the remainder comes as less than 7. Clear?
Okay, sir.
This is basic concept of this, right? Okay.
Yes.
And then you got a 18, last number, and then you divide by 2, right? So 7 to the 14, correct? So you get a 8 as remainder. Now when you write, what you get? 2, 4, 6, 8 is equal to 352 multiplied by 7 plus 4. Correct? This is how you will write, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So same thing, if I do it, 2, 4, 6, 8 divided by 7, this is a fraction. What kind of fraction it is? It is a improper fraction. If I want to convert this into mixed fraction, what I'll do? You get 3, 5, 2 here, 4 as a remainder, and 7 is. It is the same thing as division, as converting improper fraction into mixed fraction.
Proper
Clear?
fraction.
Proper and mixed fraction, right? It is not, you cannot convert improper to proper. It is mixed. Improper to mixed you can convert, or mixed to improper you can convert, right? Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So it is the same way, different format written, right? Understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Four.
Chalo. So this is how they have seen what the step they have to follow. We know everything. Now to check, what do you do? We do the same thing, 352 multiplied by 7 is equal to 2464 plus 4, you get a same number divided, right? And divisor.
Let's volume. Can you of the volume?
Sorry?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, okay. Now division of 2-digit number, right? Now chalo, you tell me, give any number. Chalo, this will take. Chalo, I'll take this number, right? And we'll solve here 7708 divided by 29. Chalo. I'm doing here. You tell me how will you do it. 7703 03 or 08? Kya tha? 08. Okay. Now you tell me how will you divide. Okay. I'm telling you very honestly. Okay. This is one very good concept I'm teaching you right now. So I want everybody attention here. Right? Okay.
Huh?
Do you know 29's table?
No.
So how many times you will do it, right? How many times you will write here? Very difficult, right?
God knows.
Hai na?
Really?
Correct? It is very difficult, right? So what do you do? Do you know what is rounding?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Abhay
sir.
knows.
Very good. So 29 को कहाँ round कर सकते हो हम लोग?
30.
30.
अच्छा 30 मतलब 3 का टेबल. Now we learn, right? 3
Yes.
multiplied by 44. You get what? 12. 30 multiplied by 4 will get what?
120.
300 multiplied by 40, what do you get?
1200.
12000.
Correct. 3 zeros. So these zeros does not trouble you much, right?
4.
What you do? You do estimation. Estimation is what? Approximation, right?
Rounding.
Rounding. So now you tell me, if I take 30 table, okay. So 32 the
60.
33 the
90.
which is more than 77, right?
Yes.
So what do you do? 29 into 2. You do. Acha, this also you can do mentally. You can do 29 multiplied by 2
Yes,
Easily.
sir.
mentally.
50,
Easily.
बताओ
sir,
कैसे?
it's 58.
58 कैसे किया?
58. Sir,
कैसे
it is
किया?
20. 9 nines is 18. So 1 will go up above
Very
2
good. वो
and
तो
8.
सबको आता है, right? Everybody do this. Now what I do? I know 30 to the 60, right?
Yes.
I have to multiply 20 multiplied by 2, 29 minutes. So I do 30 multiplied by 2 is very easy for me, and then 2 subtract here, 58. Easy?
Sir, मेरे को 29 का टेबल आता है.
Very good बेटा. अब जब 369 का होगा तब करेगा हैं? So there are certain tricks you
हाँ.
should learn बेटा. You should learn certain tricks, right? Kriyash, I know you are good, but at least certain tricks also you should know, right? Now 258, you got what? 9 and 1, 0. Now what do you do? 29 का टेबल बता, 190 कहाँ आएगा? कर सकता है?
हाँ?
प्रियांश
हाँ?
कर सकता है?
क्या?
29 के टेबल में 190 आता है?
रुको, मैं आपको
रुको।
सुना सकता हूँ.
नहीं सुनाना
टेबल
नहीं है
सुना.
बेटा, मेरे को सुनाना नहीं है. What I want is
178.
ना 178 मेरे को नहीं चाहिए बेटा. I want, गलत है, 178 भी गलत है. But what I'm doing is
क्या नहीं आता?
very good. ठीक है, तो मैं तुमको इसी के लिए समझा रहा हूँ, right? That is why I'm telling you. Listen very clearly. We have taken 3 का टेबल, right? 3 का टेबल में because 30 this 0 and this 0 has last digit को इग्नोर करो right now. 3 के टेबल में 19 कहाँ आता है?
Not there.
तो क्या आता है? Just before that
18.
18, करेक्ट? तो क्या करो? 29 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 करो, राइट? 3 6 18, राइट? ना अगेन इट इज नॉट वेरी इजी. तो 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 करो, कितना है? 180
6.
माइनस 6 करो, इसको कितना है? 174. समझ में आया? इजी हो गया?
सर नहीं समझ.
मैंने क्या किया? 29 का टेबल आई डोंट नो. आई नो 3 का टेबल, 30 का टेबल, 300 का टेबल, राइट?
हाँ.
ठीक है. सो मैंने 30 का टेबल बोला. 36 180, राइट? एंड 37 210. 210 उससे ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
तो मेरे को 36 करना पड़ेगा. बट एक्चुअली आई हैव टू डू 29 6 राइट? और 29
सर
6
नहीं समझ में आया.
हाँ
नहीं समझ में आया.
बेटा, विच नंबर यू विल पुट ए क्वेश्चन, राइट? डू यू थिंक कि तुमको 29 का टेबल पूरा लिखोगे तुम?
नहीं.
नहीं ना. सो मैं तुमको बता रहा हूं, यू कैन डायरेक्टली रीच टू अ नंबर विच यू आर नो. अच्छा ये होगा. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम एस्टिमेटिंग इट. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, 29 का टेबल डिफिकल्ट है, 30 का टेबल इजी है,
हाँ.
करेक्ट? सो 30 का टेबल में बोल के आई कैन रीच अप टू 190,
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
तो 36 180 हो गया, राइट?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
बट वी तो एटलीस्ट आई नो इट इज 29 6 करोगा तो मेरे को आंसर मिलेगा, राइट? तो मैंने 29 6 करके 174 किया, मेरे को आंसर मिला. आई पुट इट 6 हियर, आई माइनस I'll get 6 1 and 8. Again I got this 168. What do you do now? Because you know 130 180 नहीं आएगा, राइट? 180, so go back. It is 150, right? 150 is perfectly divisible.
Yes, sir.
150 जाएगा इसमें, राइट?
Yes, sir.
You have to do 29 5 29 5 is 145, correct? You got 23 is the remainder, correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Why I am doing estimation? Why I am doing estimation? To get the nearest number. At least you should be able to do it 1 or 2 plus and minus. You should get an idea what exactly you need to find this here, right?
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा.
क्यों स्क्रीन क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है?
ब्लैक आ रहा है.
हैं?
हाँ.
एक मिनट. हाँ स्क्रीन तो मेरा पूरा शेड है. एक मिनट रुक जा, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट में भेजता हूँ. Let me send a screenshot for this. आजा भाई. अंडरस्टूड डिवीजन कैसे करने का, हाउ टू यूज एस्टिमेशन, राउंडिंग नंबर्स, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So you should use, so show this working on the right hand side and show this working के तुमको, you have to choose only maximum 2 numbers. By 2 numbers you will be able to get it very clearly कि what exactly the number or quotient will come, right? Sometimes it is not very easy to estimate because it will be 17 or 32 or 35 or 37, which is intermediate number, right? So it may not
Yes.
be very easy for you to estimate, but still within 2 numbers you should be able to do it. Now you don't have to write the whole table for this, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
क्या कर रहा है स्क्रीन?
अरे रुक जा मेरी जान, पहले भेज तो देने दे मेरे को, फिर मैं करता हूँ ना. I have to reshare it. ठीक है, अभी आ रहा है?
हाँ सर, 25 ही दिख रहा था।
अरे तेरे को नहीं बेटा, जिसको नहीं दिख रहा है उसको पूछ
हाँ
रहा हूँ.
सर।
क्लियर?
हाँ
ठीक है, हो गया. So now
थोड़ा सा ब्रेक हो रहा है मगर हाँ ठीक है।
अरे ब्रेक हो रहा है लेकिन स्क्रीन तो दिख रहा है ना.
हाँ
ठीक है, so your exercise 16 also I want to do only odd questions, right? ठीक है, find the quotient when the dividend is this and divisor is it is same way but asking in a different way, right?
Yes, sir.
Find the dividend when the quotient is 56, divisor is 65 and remainder is 50. Can you find? How will
यस।
you do? Chalo, this odd you will do it. It is the same thing I'm writing here. It is 209 multiplied by 43 and whatever answer you get, you just add 23 to it, right? Understood? So you get a dividend, right? Okay. So your 22 question, you have to do only 11, right? Now this is very easy. Divide by this thing, 10, 100,000. जैसे multiplication में easy है, this is also very easy. Suppose if I say, I want to divide 1892 divided by 100. So what do you get? 1893. Chalo. So what do you get? You want to convert into fraction, mixed fraction, right? So you got 100. You got 100. So what do you get? 2 number here. Just cut this to 1893 divided by 100. That is the answer you get. Clear? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Skip the two left and right. Clear? And rest all you can put it like this, right?
हाँ
So if you want to write, this is quotient is equal to 18 and remainder is equal to 93. This is how you get direct answer. You see any number. Okay, tell me. I'll write 4877
सर मुझे
divide by 10. Chalo. Tell me. 4877. What is the quotient?
4870.
Hey. गलत जवाब. 487. I told you na. How many zeros are 1 0? So cut this here. And remainder is 7. So this is quotient part and this is the remainder part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
4870 कैसे आएगा इवाना? हैं? 4877 को 10 से डिवाइड करें तो 4870 आएगा क्वेश्चन. ये कौन सा मैथमेटिक्स है बेटा?
Sir, accidentally did multiplication.
ये अद्वैत बेटा एक्सीडेंटली हो जाएगा तो एक्सीडेंटली 0 मार्क मिलेगा तुमको, राइट? ठीक है. रूल नंबर ऑन द डिवाइडिंग 10 the quotient obtained by removing the ones digit from the numbers and the remainder ones digit and the number, right? So basically when you divide by 10 you get 1 digit निकाल दो, 100 से डिवाइड कर दो 2 डिजिट निकाल दो, 1000 डिवाइड कर दो 3 डिजिट निकाल दो. समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
क्लियर? Now here I got 100 से डिवाइड में लास्ट में 2 नंबर निकाल दो, हो गया. करेक्ट? डिवाइडिंग बाय 1000 3 नंबर निकाल दो. क्लियर है? चलो. Now 17 we'll do it here only. डायरेक्टली बताओ. डिवाइड बाय 10 फाइंड द क्वोशंट एंड रिमाइंडर. फटाफट बताओ. ओके अद्वैत,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the quotient?
First one.
Quotient will be what? 527 divided by 10.
520. Yeah. 527 divided by 10.
जल्दी.
52.
52 is the quotient. Remainder?
7.
Correct. Understood? Orally you can do it. Chalo, next. Rule number 2, Ivana.
Yes.
What is the quotient remainder?
In 2, right?
Yes, 2.
Quotient will be 4.
Eh?
Wait, quotient will be 162 and the remainder will be 4.
Very good. Clear? Chalo,
Clear.
next. Rule number 3 कौन है?
Sir, I'm rule number 3.
अच्छा हाँ तो आया अनाया.
Yes, sir.
मेरा नंबर क्या है बोला नहीं तूने सर मेरा नंबर स्किप हो गया. Next. What is the quotient?
1006 divided by 10.
What is the quotient?
Sir, 100, sir.
Very good. And remainder?
6.
Clear है everyone?
हाँ sir.
Easy है?
Yes sir, very easy.
चलो next. Kriyansh, your turn.
6.
Fourth one.
हाँ sir, fourth one का 6 ना,
हाँ बोल ना.
और remainder है 48.
Next, Rua.
हाँ sir.
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
सर 48 आएगा ना फोर्थ वाले में.
यस Rua. क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा?
क्वेश्चन 1111.
अरे क्या कर रही है?
Sorry, that was
You are dividing by what?
by 100.
Correct. So how many digits you have to leave?
2
Which side? From which side?
from the right side.
Correct. So 36 बाकी का क्वेश्चन आ गया, right?
हाँ sir.
एंड रिमाइंडर क्या होगा? जो बचा वो रिमाइंडर आ गया.
0.
0 कहाँ से आया? 36 बचा ना.
1. हाँ.
नेक्स्ट कौन है?
Paid है.
एवरीबडी डन?
हाँ
सबका
sir.
नंबर आ गया ना. चलो आई राइट दिस. इट इज 270. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? 270 एंड रिमाइंडर इज 7. 07 है लेकिन हम लोग 7 लिख सकते हैं, राइट? क्लियर है? सो रेस्ट यू कैन फिनिश, राइट? एंड यू कैन राइट हियर.
Yes, sir.
मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. यू कैन डू मेंटली. आई डोंट हैव एनी इशू, राइट? बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इजी. यू कैन राइट इन मेंटली. ठीक है? In fact, you should write in mentally, right? Word problems similar 18 and then it is done, right? Chalo. Very quickly. 1 6. What do we to be solved in? Notebook. Okay, with proper working and statement, right? Correct? Got it?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Chalo. Ab you tell me what exactly is 6426 bags of cement are equally loaded with on 17 trucks. मतलब क्या हो गया? There are 17 trucks here. This many bags are equally loaded in 17. How many bags were loaded in each truck? Now they don't want. Now this is, you know, it is divisible or not, right? Now this question can be asked in a different way, right? Now this is perfectly divisible, but if it is not perfectly divisible, they say कि how many trucks, how many bags will be loaded in each truck, and how many bags are remaining, right? That also possible, right?
Yes sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
ठीक है. और जैसे कि how many trucks are required? Suppose जैसे कि 372 bags are loaded in each truck. Then how many trucks are required, right? And how many bags will still remain? So there are multiple ways they can ask this question. Correct है?
Yeah.
Yes, so here you have to do 6, 4, 6, 4, 2, 6 divide by 17, right? So you have to write here quotient and remainder both, right? If there is no remainder, that remainder is 0, then you have to keep it the number of bags which we have quotient, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But this you have to show the proper working with the statement. When you write this, I'm just telling you because I'm giving only half of them, right? I'm not giving all of them. So I want this without any exception. I want everybody to write this one. Write the question you don't have to write, but write number of bags in each total number of bags. First, write total number of bags is 2, 4, 2, 6. Okay. Number of trucks, then sorry. Number of trucks, the number is 17, right? So then number of bags in each is equal to whatever answer you get. And on the right hand side here, show me the working 6, 6, 4, 2, 6 divide by 17 and show me the complete working here. And this is going to be answer for this. Clear?
Yeah.
I hope everybody understood what you need to do, right?
Yes, sir.
And this has to be done by next week. Everybody has to upload this by next Friday or next Thursday, right?
Okay, sir.
Next Wednesday. I don't want, sir, मेरा ऐसा हो गया, sir, मेरे को ऐसा हो गया. I don't want any nonsense. Clear? If you have
Sir,
solved
कौन
this,
सा?
all these exercises, multiplication, division, starting from multiplication, I've already given. There are different chapters I'm giving you, right? I've already given this exercise. Multiplication, I'm going to add in there only. If you have done some of this, click the scan this and upload this first, right? Multiplication
Okay, sir.
number upar dalo. You write your name on the top. When you're writing this, okay, write on the top your name. Okay, I'm just going to write here on this is a blank page, assuming this is a blank page. Okay, all that is not there. Write Hiren Desai, right? Write exercise number, say 14. Okay.
But
What
sir,
problem? Right? Your right name. Date is what? Today is
Sir.
1st August 2025. हाँ बोल.
Why do you have to write your name?
What? Arey, you write your name na? Why you write my name? I should know na who has submitted it, right?
So we can just send you the photo and see Ivana Boone.
No. On the how much time it will take? What to argue? How much time it will write to your name on the top? For each exercise, how much time it will take to write? Not even 2 seconds.
What if you're in a rush to go somewhere?
Huh?
What if
Ivana.
you're in a rush to go somewhere and you don't have time? Not even a second.
Beta, don't join my class then next time. Okay? If you don't have 2 seconds, don't join my camp. I don't want over smart people. Clear, Ivana? If you're so busy, don't join my class. Don't attend my class. Is it clear?
Clear.
What nonsense? How much time it takes to write the name? How much time it takes? Don't do foolish things to me. Don't ask foolish questions. I want the exercise number, the date, your name, and the proper working. Clear?
so we can't even do it in the hard copy.
Beta, you don't have to do hard copy. How well you do? There is no space to write. Do you
Okay.
have a space to write in a book?
No.
No. Then you have to write in a notebook only, right?
Okay.
Do a proper margin. Right side, leave some space for the working. On the left hand side, on the margin, you write the question number. On the top, write the exercise number. Do you want me to show? I'll show you one more time.
Yeah.
You tell me, I'll tell you 1,000 times. Don't worry.
So can you show it again?
Yeah, I'll show you. Okay, chalo, I'm opening here Notepad. Okay, so Notepad is basically, you can understand, it is your blank page, right? And I'm going to check this all questions, all answers live in the class, okay? So make sure that you finish it before time. And everybody, I don't want सर मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा गणपति है, मेरा ये है, मेरे को डांस करना है, आई डोंट केयर व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, राइट? दिस हैज टू बी फिनिश्ड and this is very important. Here with the ruler make a straight line, don't do a hand, right? A straight line, this is for the working, right? When you do it right, on the top write your name. Suppose I write my name, Hiren Desai, right? See exercise 14, multiplication, right? Okay, question number 1, then write statement, write number here, then this is the answer here, and there is a working here. 2, 4, 6, 9 multiplied by 23. Just show me the working here completely and write this 2, 4, 6, 9, 8, 9, then 23, and then write the answer here, right? Correct? Understood?
Okay, sir.
Then write, leave one line, 2 lines, and then write question number 2. Then also suppose this is multiplication only, but it is division. Then you do total number of trucks is 2, 4, 6, 8. Divide by total number of cement bags are this. Total number of trucks are this. So number of bags in each truck is equal to, then is 2, 4, 6, 8 divided by 17. Show me the complete working. This question will come as the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear, right?
Yeah.
How will you solve this, right? Clear or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. Do you want me to send this screenshot so you don't have any problem? कि सर कैसे करने का था, मैंने था ही नहीं, I was absent, I was not paying attention. ये सब नहीं आएगा, right? No confusion, because you have 1 week to do it and it is enough time, right? It is more
Yes.
sufficient for do, because I'm giving you only 50% of the question here, right? And some of the things, one of the exercises, only word problem and normal division and multiplication will take time. Otherwise, multiply by 10, 100,000 or divide by 10, 100,000 is, you can do it orally. Even I don't want working for that, right?
Okay.
Is it clear, everyone?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm giving in the same exercise, multiplication and division, right? And I'm extending the date. Okay, now because it is with the another class which is on Saturday, so I'm keeping it on Monday. Clear?
Yeah.
What?
I am giving a delivery as Monday, but you have to finish by Wednesday, right? I'll
Yeah.
be giving delivery, due date is next Wednesday, but you have to upload this before the class, next class. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Ivana, keep the mic on.
So what if we do it today only?
If you, before that anything is okay, very nice, I'll be very happy. If you do it today and upload and bolo upload ho gaya, I'm very happy.
हाँ sir.
ठीक है, चलो आज ही करके खत्म
Very
करो.
happy.
And it is
Yes,
for the
sir.
bag 2 and all that, exercise, revision exercise also you have to do it.
Yeah.
Clear? There is a revision exercise at the end also.
Okay.
Clear? Chalo, bye.
Okay,
So
sir.
Bye, sir.
this chapter has to be
Bye,
finished in
sir.
total.
Thank you, sir.
Arey wait, chapter 5 has to be done in total, correct?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye beta.
Thank you.